Ek het 'n kleuterskool in Sandwood Park. Ons het so 320 kinders daarso. Ek het 30 personeellede wat elke dag na die kindertjies kyk. En ek dink ons het een van die belangrikste werke wat daar is. Want ons opvoed die kindertjies op tot die volgende Nelson Mandela of die volgende CEO vir Business Partners of Sanlam. En ons hoop dat een van hulle ook eendag hier so kan sit en die voorregte ervaar wat ek vandag het. Dit is baie belangrik dat die regte grondfases gelê word en dat hulle die beste opvoeding kry en dit begin al klaar by die kleuterskooljare. Baie dankie.
Well, if you got nothing to protect, you probably don't need us. But if you got something to protect in a garden, you need insect security. We believe that what makes us better is being better. Thank you very much.
I think it's fair to say in South Africa in particular, everybody, whether you're a business or an individual, you care about security. It took me 25 minutes to get signed in to one of the buildings belonging to one of the major banks in this country yesterday. But what amazes me, and it should amaze all of us, is these same buildings that have these security measures allow documents, paper, information that belongs to business partners, staff, individuals to leave through the front door in the hands of a stranger under no control. And that's where we come in. We ensure that no documents leave before they're 100% destroyed. That's how we add value for our clients. We make shredding simple. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Great to be here. And for us, and I think for a lot of people, business is a game. That's where the name Tom comes from. Those of you know that know a little bit about French, the French game of bulls. You've got to aim at a specific goal, and we bring different ways to achieve goals, specifically to bring clarity to your business. So if you need to understand who needs to do what in order to achieve the outcomes, that's where we come in. We use very sexy pictures to make sure that every person in the organization, through process mapping, project management, change management, know how they take part in achieving the end result you're aiming for.
Started in the decking timber industry, trying to change it. The products are supplied to the South African decking industry, obviously sustainable, made out of 95% recycled material. It means you rather spend your time enjoying the deck rather than maintaining it, which is good for the guys. Comes in 7 different colors for the ladies. So it's the only decking product that's completely waterproof in the world. You can install it in the water, underground, on the ground, and it will perform. It's got a lifespan of in excess of 20 years. So we add value through sustainable green building products. And that's it.